So here's how to change your name on Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account, and after that you have to go to the edit site option. Once you are there, now here you have to simply click on the settings, and after that click on the add the domain option. Once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From here you have to go to the blog section and then click on the overview. After that you have to simply go to business info page, and once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From here you have to remove your old name and add a new one. If your new name of your blog is not related to your previous category, you also have to change your category by clicking on the category option. Now from the drop down menu you have to simply change the category of your blog. Once you have successfully made all the changes, now you have to click on the save option at the top right corner. Once you click on the save option, now all the required changes have been made. So that's how to change your blog name or site name on Wix.